Hey guys, welcome back. So, this week was super exciting for me and Mimi because my baby turned three. My baby turned three. Yes, guys, Mimi celebrated her birthday on Thursday. And to celebrate the event, I had a little party, for her classmates. She wanted to do a Minnie Mouse theme party. So she took some treat bags and some snacks to school to celebrate her big day. So once my baby was at school, I then headed to the store to grab a few ingredients to make her a homemade cake. In keeping with her theme, I grabbed a pink strawberry cake mix, followed up with some pink icing and some different colored icing and frosting and other stuff to go inside the cake. Next, I headed to Wally World to grab her some presents because what is a party without the gifts, right? After we got all the supplies, this was the finished look once we finished decorating.